Hey guys, so today I will be making a DIY bird feeder project for my AP Environmental Science class. Alright, let's go. To make this project, you will need the following tools: a plastic bottle, a pin, some sticks, a string, and scissors. Step 1. Take a clean plastic bottle and remove the cap. Use a pin to make drainage holes in the base of the bottle. Step 2. Make 2 level holes on opposite sides of the bottle. You would then use scissors to widen the 2 holes you just made. With the holes you just made, push 1 stick through the holes to create a perch. Over each perch, cut a feeding hole about the size of a little coin. Then make 2 more holes as feeding holes 90 degrees above the first ones. Make 2 holes at the top of the bottle and thread the string. And lastly, fill your bottle with the bird seeds. And now you got yourself a homemade bird feeder. By creating this DIY bird feeder, we help support local bird populations, especially in urban and suburban areas where natural food sources are limited due to habitat loss. These small steps helps maintain local biodiversity, which is crucial for resilient ecosystems. Feeding birds can also increase awareness of local species, promoting conservation efforts. Since the feeder is made from reused or recycled materials like plastic bottles, it also reduces waste. Another important sustainability goal. This means we're not buying new plastic or creating more pollution. Instead, we're reusing materials that might have ended up in a landfill. This ties into the theme of act local and think global. Even though building one bird feeder seems like a small act, imagining if every community did this. Supporting local wildlife helps also support global diversity, which affects food webs, ecosystems, and even climate regulation. By taking simple local actions, we all contribute to larger and global environmental solutions.